Straight to use for iOS 11 up to iOS 16. So not all of these might not work on iOS 16 or 15 because it's new jailbreak, but more of them would probably work on iOS 15 rather than iOS 16. But yeah, make sure you guys do create backups, and your developers of these tweets are not taking responsibility for whatever happens to your device, so you just at your own risk. So the first we have is called App Hider, and hides your apps from your springboard. Your apps pretty much disappear. So you can hide apps like Cydia. Doesn't mean your device is like unjailbroken, but you can hide certain apps so people wouldn't know. For example, if you hide Cydia, device not jailbroken because you hide Cydia, people wouldn't know. Or if you hide a certain app that you don't want somebody to see, you can also do that with this tweak. This tweak's called BioLocker and increases the simple, lightweight, and elegant locker for your apps. And one of my favorite tweets that I actually use on my main device, like on the daily, is called Copy Log. So it was updated to iOS 11 up to 15.7.1. So it's a powerful clipboard manager, history manager for iOS. So it's easy to use for both iPhone and iPad, and keeps track of what you copy in device. So when you copy pictures or copy like text, it pretty much has like a whole manager for you guys. So yeah, I like it because you don't have anything like this on the default iOS. Like Apple allows you to copy, you can't even see what you copy unless you paste it, and you can copy one thing at a time. So this is way better. Like this allows your jailbreak, and obviously you can use this tweak, and you have a whole, you have like anything's copied at one time. You can scroll through it and see exactly what you copied and pretty much save it there. So for me, I use this because I have like a bunch of videos, a bunch of like different like descriptions, save descriptions for different channels and different video types, and I can easily just navigate between what I want to copy and paste instead of me going to notes or whatever and copy and pasting it every single time I upload a video. I can just simply go to my clipboard manager, like easily access it, and then just just paste wherever I want to like the video descriptions, video titles. I have all that cool stuff. So definitely amazing tweak. I highly suggest it. Alright, so this tweet's called Card Bridge version 2.0.10. So this actually was updated support from iOS 13 to 15.7.1. This is also one of the tweets I use on a daily basis. It's actually one of my favorite tweets. I would say like top 5 favorite tweets ever. Copy log is definitely up there, but this is like one of my favorite tweets as well as a copy log, just like copy log, because this tweak pretty much allows you to use any app or even mirror device when you guys are using like CarPlay on your car. So if you have an old car like me, unfortunately, if you don't have CarPlay, obviously you can't use this tweak on your car. But for the cars that do have the CarPlay and that has that option, which pretty much like every new car that you can buy has that option, as long as it has like a front screen on the front of your car, then this is amazing. So usually Apple gives you like a couple default apps like Maps, phone, messages. That's really it. And maybe iMusic and a couple other things, but like you can actually put on any single app you guys can use. So you can watch Netflix in the car. You could play games. You could play, bring your controller out and play Call of Duty while you're, in the car driving. So let me just make sure. This is a disclaimer for this week, guys. If you didn't install this, I'm not condoning any like use this while you're driving. I don't suggest that. If you have a passenger in the car or the kids or your passenger can watch it. So I'm not condoning for someone who's actually driving to like play games. That's obviously not smart, and I'm not condoning that in this video. And I'm obviously, if you have a show on, it's obviously mainly for the passenger and the people who are not driving, because when you're driving, it's really important. You need both eyes on the road, guys. I mean, I don't think a lot of people underestimate like a car. It's like 1 second can kill everybody in the car and you. Like just one little second, take your eyes off the road for 1 second, everyone could be dead. So it's not worth it. I mean, just be safe. So yeah, pretty cool tweet though. And like I said before, disclaimer: you guys are downloading and using these tweets at your own risk. I'm not responsible or held liable if whatever happens. You guys, as watching the video and installing any tweets, and while watching this video, you guys do agree to that disclaimer not by choice, because I'm forcing you guys to. That's the disclaimer for the video. It was as supported by iOS 15. You guys have a 7-day return policy. Last time I checked, it was like $10, like $9.99. I mean, if you have CarPlay, highly worth it. I mean, $10 for this week I use it a ton because my car doesn't have CarPlay, but my family's car is like a little newer, so it has CarPlay. So when we go on like trips, like I'm about to leave 2 days from now, December say the 18th, I think. 19th. So I'm about to leave actually tomorrow because it's 2:30 in the morning. So December 20th of 2022, I'm actually going to the Dallas game, Dallas versus Eagles. So I'll be going to Dallas, and we're actually going to drive down there from Florida. So it's going to be a nice, I think it's like 12-hour drive, and then we're going to drive. We'll drive to a couple places, but we're going to be driving a lot. So for long car rides, oh, it's awesome. Add this as well. So the Carbridge iOS 15 update is now out. The update adds compatibility with the newly released XinaA15, A15, and Palera1n jailbreaks for the iOS 15 to 15.7.1. And it's free for all, I guess, users who did previously use the Carbridge. They updated this, which is Lefty. He's the developer of Carbridge. He actually updated his tweak like early December, so I think it was like December 9th or something. So it's been a couple weeks since he updated Carbridge. This week it's called Badger. Notification badges re-imaged. Sports iOS 12 to 15.7.1. Screenshot. But yeah, wraps up this video. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.